Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, man, you already know what to do. So AMC, we ended the day at $15.47, guys. We closed that gap at $15.87. That doesn't necessarily mean that we, is about to start back trending up from here. All that means, from my perspective and my indication and from my opinion and the way I'm putting it, is it means that we can start to run up and trend up from here at any given moment. After, we finish consolidating, hovering around these low levels, we can easily start to run back up. So what I'm looking forward to going into tomorrow, let's talk a little bit about the price action. We closed at $15.47 on today, guys. Our next key level will be at $15.19. If we don't hold up at $15.19 in the 15s, then we can see that breakdown to finish the pullback to around $13.52 at $13-14 range, guys. I don't think we're going no lower than 13. Just as last time before, I told you guys worst case scenario, I ain't believe it was going no lower than 13. The last time we was trading at these levels, we went no lower than 13, and from there we shot straight up to $33-34 per share, and now gave back all of those gains, which I totally did not expect, guys. So like I told you guys, I had expected worst case scenario after running up like that. We didn't expect to hold those gains up. We expected to come back down some. Know it's going to be very choppy, a lot of volatility after making a move like that, but we expected worst case scenario to be at $23. So we done came all the way back down, gave back all those gains, and then ran up like that, basically for nothing, guys. Well, not for nothing. Some people benefited off of it that bought in while shares were cheap, trading at the price they're trading in now, and cashed out once it ran up, guys. So like I tell you guys all the time, you most definitely want to make it easier on yourself and don't be too caught up, emotionally and all that good stuff. Make sure you can, play with money that you're willing to lose. And also, if you don't have money in that you're willing to lose and you over leverage, once you're able to do so, once it run back up, like we all expecting it to do so, you want to most definitely shave some off the top, grab that initial investment out, and play with house money, guys. Even if you don't want to do that, at least shave some for the ones that's, skeptical and still scared. So like I say, guys, I still do believe AMC has the potential to run back up, but we got a lot of things hitting us in the head right now. We already is being, manipulated way before everything extra started happening. Far as the war, that was extra. Interest rates going up to help tame inflation, that was extra. And COVID, that's been going on since, since the mix of all this, since of last year. So anyways, guys, we got a couple different things that's coming at us now. And now we got, large cap companies falling over 30, 40, 50%, 20% in a day, all this type of stuff going on. One of the craziest markets people seen, guys, in a while, and it's looking to be getting even crazier and crazier by the day. We's like, where's the bottom? Where's the bottom? Is it about to pop? And it just keeps on dipping, guys. So like I said, though, this is nothing to be fearful of, nothing to be scared of. This is just what you want to be glad that you're able to live in and get to experience. So that way, when the market do go bullish and it's running and running and running and running, you'll know how to start taking your profits, how to start, being more smarter, being more meticulous, knowing how to not over leverage yourself, knowing how to not use margin, knowing how to, you're learning a lot through this right here. And that's just going to prepare you to be a monster and the beast when everything starts to go back up and whenever this time frame come around again, guys. So you already know, like I told you guys, this is the time where the rich gonna get richer and the poor is going to get poorer, because the poor people, they is on the verge of selling right now. And that's exactly what the market makers want to do. They want to get retail investors up out of the game. They trying to get some get back for GME and AMC as well, on top of everything that's going on. We know it's many different factors that's going into play on why the stock market is doing what it do. So we can't just pinpoint one thing in particular. So You already know, guys, that's all I really got for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick update going into tomorrow, let you guys know my thoughts and opinions. So we is expecting a little more pullback with AMC, especially with the market looking how it's looking. AMC, GME should be soaring during these times while the market is at the state that it's at. But we know how, how they like to play us on that end of the stick. Right now we operating with the market coming down, we coming down. The market start going up, we'll start going up. But certain situations, certain time frames, the market will be going up, and AMC and GME will still be staying the same or possibly going down. So guys, we eventually will prevail. We continue to stick to it and do what we're doing. We already knocked one hedge fund down off the map. Now it's time to work on the next one, guys. Putting Melvin Capital in panic mode, having them scared to manage the same amount of assets that they were managing before, having them reduce their assets from 8 billion to 5 billion. Anytime it get over the threshold of 7 billion, they will be returning capital back to investors, guys. So that's insane for us to be able to be as powerful as we became to do something like that. Also, don't forget the Citadel situation. We had Citadel give up part ownership of their company, which they never, had any plans to do before. All their profits, all their money was in-house. They never wanted to do business with outsiders or give up any type of ownership. They had to do that in order to get more liquidity to further manipulate the stock price of AMC, guys. So we is making hella moves right now, and we continue to make statements and, show our power as a retail army, even though the stock price isn't a reflection of it, because we know we getting shitted, we get manipulated. But as long as we could stick around, stay around, it's costing them way more than it ever cost us, guys. It cost us nothing. It's costing them millions. It's costing them a fortune. It's costing them integrity. It's costing them everything. Dignity. It's costing them. So you already know, guys. That's all I got for this video. Just want to give y'all my insight going into tomorrow. You already know what to do. Consider joining the family. Post over here every single day. Add your boy on Instagram at The B Hayes Show. I love you. We out, and God bless you. We gone.